Hey, this is Annie Margarita Yang back with another video for you today. Today's video is part 2 of how to get a college education for only $100. This is a continuation of yesterday's video. In yesterday's video, I talked about how you can design your own college education plan by making a list of 20 of the best-selling or top-rated books in a specific subcategory, and then just reading the books. Now, you can save money by figuring out which books are available at your local library first, and then only reading the ones that you actually have to pay for after you realize, after reading all the free ones, that, hey, I want to read some more, okay? Now, this video, I'm pretty sure if you're tech savvy, you can figure it out yourself. You don't actually need to watch this video, but this video is for the people who actually want to see it in action, who want to see me do it for you. So let's get started, Let's pretend like I want to do media training, because actually that's been something that's been on my mind lately, because I want to get better at media training. So I want to read books about media training. If I paid a professional to coach me on media training, I'd be paying over $100 an hour. I don't want to pay that much money. My thought process is I can save money by reading 20 books on the subject first, and then only for the things I'm struggling with, for the things that I still can't figure out and polish, refine, and fix, then I can go to a professional for those tweaks. So for me personally, I want to do the subject of media training today. For you, it could be whatever you want, okay? Let's get started. I'm going to do both methods, the Amazon method and the ChatGPT method. So I'm just going to pull this window forward, Amazon, and I'm just going to type in media training book, but you should also filter first. Books on media training. And then you can see these pop up. So what you do is you just open them all in a new tab. It's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This book is fairly new. I'm not sure if it's top rated or not because it has no reviews. Let's see. That's Spanish edition. No ratings on this one either. But this is a really specific subject. So this is one of those kinds of books where subjects where there's not a lot to choose from, I think. But let's see. That has nothing to do with media training. Okay. Yeah, so at this point, Amazon is no longer giving me a list of books related to media training because they're giving me general business books. So I think I can stop right there because the results are no longer relevant. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is, let me just minimize all these windows. Just a moment. I'm just going to open up Excel. Just going to move this to the side here. Let's move this here. I'm just going to copy and paste this title here. Well, I shouldn't have closed that because I want to keep that open for later. While I'm doing that, I have the price here, right? So you see this, the Kindle version is $8.99. Actually, the cheapest version is the $1.58. So you want to click on the $1.58. It's secondhand, it's fine. It's already sorted by low to high with price and delivery. Okay, so we're looking at paying $6.27 for this book. $6.27 on Amazon for this book. And then let's open the second one. This one we're looking at $5.54. $5.54. The Kindle version is cheaper than the secondhand physical copy. So $7.95. I think this one is 1412. This one's free with Kindle Unlimited, or let's see, $5.99 to buy. This has nothing to do with media training. Okay. This is $9.99. This one is $1.93 plus $3.99 delivery. How much is that? $5.92. This one is $9.99. This has nothing to do with media training. Okay. $6.89. Let's see. $6.14. $12.60. Transform as a manager and leader. This is nothing related to media training either. Okay, so at this point, I can already change that. So you can see right here, I have a list of 11 books, and total price we're looking at here is $91.40 total for all of these 11 books. So if you read 11, it could be $91. We also, because like I didn't get a list of 20 books, it looks like Amazon doesn't return any relevant search results. What we can also do is we can just prompt ChatGPT. Here, I'm using ChatGPT 4. How do you know you're using 4? Well, in the top left corner here, it says ChatGPT 4. This is the one you have to pay for versus ChatGPT 3.5, okay? You just prompt it. Give me a list of the top 20 best-selling, top-rated books on media training. It used to not do this. Now it comes with browsing and analysis. Okay, that's really weird. I have prompted this exact prompt before, and it gave me 20 of them. But I guess now it's browsing. It has like access to the internet. It can browse with Bing and stuff. So it's only turning out 3. Okay. Anyway, this didn't go the way I expected, but it gave me 3 books. Let's see if some of them are repeats. So the Media Training Bible has already been listed here, but it came up with the soundbite workbook, which isn't here, and when the headline is you. So we can take these two as well. And we'll just paste that in there. And we can find out the price on Amazon. This book is $2.99. Let's see. This one is 96 cents and $3.98 delivery. $4.94. Okay. So now what we need to do is we need to take this list and plug it into our local library's catalog. So I'm going to go to Boston Public Library because I live in Boston. And let's see if my library has this book. I like to remove the subtitle. Let's see. Yes, it's available on Hoopla. Okay. I need to make this smaller because it's just not working out. Just a moment. Word wrap. Where's the word wrap button? Here it is. Okay. Media secrets. It's not available. Game face. Not available. Not available. Nope. Not available. Yeah, the library doesn't carry these books. Well, as you can see, it's honestly, it's really not a popular topic at all. Because even Amazon couldn't give me a lot of books to choose from. But if you pick another topic that's a lot more popular, you guys will have a lot more options at in both Amazon and the library. I couldn't even get a full 20. I only got 14 because not even 14 because this is a period here. I got like 13 books. Let's see, this is not available. hey, this one is, what does this mean? Place hold. When the headline is you. Can I actually check it out? I don't have my login information right now. Let's see. Availability can't be retrieved. I think it's available, okay, because it's allowing me to place a hold. Okay. Okay. Give me 5 minutes. Okay, so this is the finished list. And so now I'm just going to sort this column C of which ones are available at the library. So these two, I don't need to pay, right? These two are free for me. And then I'm just going to sort the prices as well. So the way I would start reading these books is that I would read these 2 books for free first. And then if I've had enough, I can stop. Or, you know, I can continue to read if it still continues to have my interest and I want to learn more about the subject. So then I sort it based on price because I don't want to spend so much money on books. So then the 3rd book that I will buy is the Soundbite Workbook. The 4th one is called Media Secrets. The 5th one is Media Training. The 6th one is The Insider's Guide to Media Training, and so on and so forth. Sometimes, I'll be very honest, I don't even get through all of the ones on the list because I lose my interest maybe after 5. But then I would invest very little money into buying books. And I honestly think this is a smart and savvy way to curate your reading list and just execute this plan. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Let's see. Yeah, looks like the total sum here says it's $88.12. So this entire reading plan costs only $88.12, guys. It's a really cheap education. I've had someone try to sell me a media training course, like a live group class. Honestly, like how much can you really learn in 3 hours? Not very much, right? I think you'll get like the gist of it. You'll get like a 101. You'll learn a lot more from reading these books because you can read the same. If you don't understand something, you can read it over and over again. Or like if you don't understand something while reading, you can look it up online to see if there are other examples to help you out and understand the text. So they were charging about $600 for that 3-hour course. And hey, just by coming up with something like this, you can save a lot of money and you can go to a professional only if you need help with something. So you can follow this method for pretty much learning anything. But I'm doing this under the context of a DIY college education plan. So let me know if you guys have any questions. I'd be happy to answer your questions. And I will see you guys in my next video. I have to go eat lunch now. My husband's waiting for me. But hopefully later today I can record a second video, which will be part 3 on how to answer in a job interview any questions about how you went about your education in case an employer questions whether you're qualified to even do the job. Okay, that's it for you guys. I will see you guys next time. One last thing before I go. If you really want to support my channel and you like this content, then please, please, please buy my book, The 5-Day Job Search. You can get a signed copy if you go on AnnieYangFinancial.com and then you click buy my signed copy now. You should be able to also get a 10% off discount. I don't know where this orange bar went at the top. I'll have to figure that out, why it's not showing up for you to get a discount. And if you want to just get like a taste of the book, before buying, the audiobook is free. You can just click on book resources, click on the 5-Day Job Search audiobook, put in your first name, your email, and we'll deliver you the audiobook. But after you listen to the audiobook, you'll realize the book is so comprehensive that it's more like a reference book you want to keep going back to. It's like a Bible, basically. It's that you'll want to get the physical book because you don't want to keep listening to the audiobook if you want to just quickly look back to something that I said earlier in the book. Okay, that's it for you guys. See you guys later today. Bye.